Okay.
Below is Kusnirwa and Malata. Okay, altitude 2,600 meters in between Kusnirwa and Malata.
It's our last 3 a.m. wake-up call. It's 2:47, and we're getting picked up in like 10 minutes because we're gonna go hike the Colca Canyon. Should be fun.
Yeah, it should be really fun. I am actually not that bad today because we haven't had to do this again yesterday. So got a good night's sleep and ready to go.
Super stoked. We had a few scheduled stops on our way to the Colca Canyon. The first was at the tiny little town of Chevet on the way for a breakfast buffet. Then it was back to the van for a little while.
The next stop will be at the Wilkie Viewpoint, and the Wilkie is a Quechua name. In this area, the people from
Our second stop on the van ride to the trailhead for the canyon was the Mirador Cruz del Condor, an overlook where the giant birds were supposed to hang out. The views were spectacular, but we didn't see any condors. Getting out and stretching our legs for a bit sure was nice, though.
There is the district of the valley.
Okay.
Below is Kusnirwa and Malata. Okay, altitude 2,600 meters in between Kusnirwa and Malata, and up there, the altitude is the same. It's the same here, no? 3,003.
Oh, wow, okay.
3,400.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
We're looking down. Okay.
And the last community is around the river, called San Juan de Chucho. Okay, it's the next place for us.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll stay in the lunch. Today we will have the lunch, the dinner, and the breakfast tomorrow.
Okay.
And your accommodation. For example, it's a wild pepper. At the same time, it's a native repellent.
Oh, cool.
Because we have a mosquitoes.
Ah, boy.
Mosquitoes.
Having a guide on the hike down the canyon was actually a really cool experience. It gave us some insight into the flora and fauna of the area, as well as some of the history of the little settlements. They're so tiny, I don't know if you can call them towns, at the bottom of the canyon where we would be staying. We got extra lucky because we ended up being the only ones on our tour, so we could ask all the questions we wanted and got all of our guides' attention. We didn't get to see any condors at the lookout where they were supposed to be, but ironically enough, we saw some as soon as we started our hike. Condors are super cool. With their giant wingspan of almost 11 feet, they're super impressive to see flying around.
Stairs.
My favorite.
Oh. Down, down, down. Look at that. There. All the way down there. I'm gonna get dizzy with all these zigzags, but I'm liking it better than straight down. So keep going. We're getting down there. I can start to see details in the houses. We made it.
On the right side, this land is corn.
Oh.
We have the different colors, yellow, red, and white. We don't have the purple in this area.
Wow, we were up there. Hey.
How's it?
So when I went to see the agent,
Tastes really heavily seasoned beef. Apparently it's alpaca, but it tastes perfect. It's actually really good.
All right, we are at Posada Gloria, which is a little hostel in the middle of the Colca Canyon. Pretty damn cool. We took the 2-night option, so we get to stay here, whereas everybody else had to hike another 7 kilometers. We're like, peace out, suckers! It's pretty cool.
Yep, we had lunch here, and then everyone else had to go.
And we got to hang out, so I got to take like a 2-hour nap, which was fabulous. And now we are trying a local Arequipeña beer. So we'll see how it is.
Very much a Fizziola beer. Day 2, starting out. It is what?
8:36.
8:30?
Not 2 in the morning. Fantastic. We should have just, I don't know, 7 or 8 kilometers to go, so a couple hours tops. And we get to go spend the night at a hot spring oasis. So, should be cool.
Yeah, and I think the hike is relatively flat, so not a lot of up or down. Thank God, my calves are burning.
Peruvian flat. It rained till like 5 o'clock this morning. Do we have enough water?
I think we're okay for now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look at peaches. Dude. Stayed low, taking the shortcut. Woo. Yeah, sure. Yeah. In theory, we can see the oasis like right out there. So that's where we're going. All the way up there. Oh boy. Thank God it's a short day. You're fine. Almost there. Another half hour. Ah, okay. Oh.
And it begins in the Colca volcano. No? It's in the Colca is located behind of this part. Okay. And then when you're going down, you will be seeing a small waterfall in the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 here. Okay. For tomorrow is the path, and then in the right side, in the yellow part, you can see the path. We will take that path tomorrow in the morning because
Okay.
our hostel is not.
Oh, okay,
in the
yeah.
right
Oh, okay,
side,
so we'll send that side. Okay.
But half an hour up,
It
exactly,
joins this one.
is
Okay.
join.
Okay.
And then all up. Okay, that is the plan for tomorrow. Now,
Alright.
concentration on the
Nope.
way, and over there in another side, we need to climb 1, 2, 3 corners.
Okay.
After, directly to our hostel. From the bridge to the hostel, 15 minutes walking.
Perfect.
Okay? And then you can go ahead. I need to buy something for me. Okay, my cookies, my bananas for tomorrow. Also, I don't take breakfast in the way. Okay, slow and steady. I'm coming back.
Okay. I gotta take this off. And I like this. Come on. Come on, pup. I want to look around, but I'm also like afraid to fall on my face.
I gotta stop and check this out. It's awesome. And I'm also bouncing a little bit. That is pretty. That's Singale. We made it. Whacked the avocado in my head. That's, I mean, they're not hurt, but it's funny.
Este es de color negro, the black color.
The black avocados.
white
Oh,
avocado.
I've never seen that.
And if you touch, it's different.
Oh yeah.
Muy suave,
Soft,
suave,
yeah.
suave, suave.
Oh, hi buddy.
Rayo.
Se llama Rayo.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
Rayo.
His name's Rayo, which is
Right.
lightning. Lightning. I mean lightning.
You little yip dog, yeah, I could see that.
Wow.
Bueno, bienvenidos.
Wow.
Bien hecho, Laura.
Gracias.
Lo hicimos muy bien.
Gracias,
Matthew.
gracias, gracias. Qué lindo.
Este es el lugar para nosotros.
Let's take a tour of the hostel we're staying here in Sangaya. Looks gorgeous. You have a piece, go sour. Sweet. The sign.
This is pretty damn cool, not gonna lie. Like, getting eaten by bugs, but I'm hanging out in a hammock under a mango tree in this beautiful place. It's just like, I don't know, it's freaking amazing. Check it out. What do you think?
This is kind of cool. Unfortunately, the water, I guess they had an issue with the water, so it's not running. So it's not, doesn't look fully filled, but it's nice otherwise. After a sweaty hike, nice to get cleaned off. It's not hot, it's cool, but I can manage that. Whew, bugs too.
This place is cool. The water's freezing, but it felt really good to get in and get all the gross sweat off, because it was a sweaty hike. But no, this place is awesome. It's one of those places I always wanted to stay and really didn't know how, and somehow we figured it out, and it's kind of amazing.
Good morning. One last 4 a.m. wake-up call down here at Singaya. Heading up to the top. 1,000-meter climb in about 4 kilometers. It's gonna be great. Heading up to Colca Canyon. Keep forgetting that stupid name, but there it is. Let's see how this goes. My legs are tired. Here's what a 4 a.m. hike looks like. Nice and dark. Whew. Daylight came quick. No more headlamps. No. Wow. Steps, yay. Hopefully it's not the rest of this. All right.
As we learned, most hikes that required going uphill in Peru could be done by hiring a donkey or a mule. Of course, we opted to just walk. Still not sure how I feel about that.
Yeah. You having fun yet? You're in video, so you have to act like you're having a great time.
Satisfying. Well, it'll be satisfying in another 100 meters or whatever. Not right now.
Whew. We made it. Whew. Kilometer 0. Woo! 4.5K. 1,000 meters. I'm ready to be done.
Well, that pretty well sucked, but we made it. Matt'll tell you he's fine, because he's always fine. My legs were going like this. It was cool.
You looking forward to a 5-hour bus ride with those cramp up?
Honestly, if I get to sit down, yeah, that's fine.
Algunos turistas subiendo les agarra un calambre. Eso suele pasar por deshidratación o porque también estás expuesto mucho al frío, ¿no? Al clima que siempre está cambiando.
Yeah, no.
From the top of the canyon, we walked through all sorts of fields, all the way through to the town of Conde, where we had lunch. We were so tired and hungry when we got there that we managed not to take any video. After we ate, we boarded the van and started a long journey back to Arequipa. Well-deserved beer and hot springs.
Yeah, this is nice. We got about an hour here before we get back in the van and keep trucking along. Until then, cheers.
That feels good.
We made a couple stops on the ride back. One at an overlook where you were supposed to be able to see a bunch of volcanoes, but they were all clouded in and we couldn't see a thing.
It's a little cloudy today, so can't see anything.
The second was to check out the alpacas and vicuñas that graze by the side of the highway. Those guys are always cute. Back in Arequipa, we threw our stuff down at our hotel, showered, and went out to dinner. We found a lovely Italian place called Trece Monjas that was absolutely delicious. Between the local wine and amazing food, it was a great way to end this whole experience. Good morning. We made it back to Arequipa last night after hiking out of the Colca Canyon, and we made it just in the nick of time. There was some construction that you had to get through between 1 and 2 p.m. because that's when the workers went to lunch, and we squeaked through at 1:59. If not, we would have been stuck on the side of the road till 6 p.m. So anyway, that was one hell of an adventure, as I'm sure that you've seen. And today we are going to check out Arequipa one more day, and then we hit the road again tomorrow.